First go to the file and choose open. Select this pillow image. Press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the pillow like this. Press Ctrl Z twice to create two duplicate layers of the selection. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now take the rectangle tool. Create the rectangle shape like this. Right click on this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right click on this layer again, this time choose Create Clipping Mask. Open Blend Modes and choose Linear Burn. Double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose Place Embedded. Select this texture image, click Place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press Enter. Open File and choose Save. Go to our main window. Right click on this layer and choose Blending Options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Select and expose the top layer. Go to Blend Modes and choose Multiply. Decrease the opacity to 20%. Let's see the final result.